Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is the Bella's family channel. I just want to thank our old and new subscriber. Thank you guys for your support and your positive comments. So feel free to join the family by hitting that subscribe button and turn on the post notification so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So guys, today we'll be doing some unboxing. Yeah, we are in lockdown here in Germany, so the kids are not going to school, so we always shop online nowadays. We always shop online. So these are the few things I got for Shein. So where am I starting from? Okay, I love this Ziploc bag always. Okay, this is shotgun. Look at it. Look at it, guys. These are for Bella and Olivia. Look at the other one here. So I always love buying same clothes for both of them, so I don't have to open the other one. Okay, look at it here. And okay, these are trousers. Okay. Look at it. Okay, this is also for Bella and Olivia. Look at the other one here. So I always buy same clothes for them. So that is it. Okay, okay, this is set of stockings, different color. This is for Bobo because it's summertime. Despite the fact that we are indoor, we still have to buy things, guys. Okay, these are complete night wear, summer night wear. Look at it. Look at the top. Look at it. Yeah, this is for Bella and Olivia. Look at the other one here. So I don't have to open it, so it's for both of them for summer holiday. Hopefully that we can travel this summer. Hopefully. Yeah, that is it. Okay, this is shorts. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is gown. Yeah. Okay, look at it. This is for Bella. To be fast. Okay, this is for Daddy Bella. This is a top. This is also for Daddy Bella. A top. I just have to. I don't have to open it. Okay. Okay. This is a top for me. Yeah, let me just keep it so that the video will not be too long. Ow. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is a top for Bubble, my boo. This is for my boo, my Bubble. Let me just. This is a trouser and a top. Yeah, knicker and top is for Bubble. Got it? Yep. This is also a top. This is a top for Bubble. Yep. This is short jeans knicker for Bubble. But I think this is a little big. And I always buy more than the size because kids, they outgrow their clothes very quickly. This is also jeans knicker for the summer holiday, hopefully. All these are for my boo. Okay. Okay, these are swimwear for Bubble, the top and the trousers are swimwear. Okay. This is trouser, yeah. Look at it. It's like a sports trouser. This is for Bella and Olivia. Look at the other one here. So I don't have to open it. So, what do we have here? These are top for Bubble. One. This is another one, but I don't know if I made a mistake to order two, but it's for Bubble. This is summer outfits. Short knicker and the top is for Bubble. My boo. Okay. What is this? Okay, this is trouser for Bubble. Got it? Yeah, guys, I'm almost done. So this is tri-suit, trouser and the top. Okay. Look at it. For me and Bella. Okay. Okay, the trouser and the top. And this is the other one. The same like this one for me. Big. So guys, that is all. I still have some things I got that are still on the way. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, guys. Bye.